Hi kids. Okay, last class we learned about surds. This is the first time we got to know about what surds are, and we got to know the basics of surds. We're going to continue from there. Now, something that we already know is bigger than, less than, and equal to signs. We already know this. What we're going to learn is how do we compare surds first of all. Okay? So now these are your two numbers, 6 square root 2 and 5 square root 5. Okay? ना आई एम टेलिंग यू कि मेरे को बताओ इन दोनों में से छोटा नंबर कौन सा है और बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है. अब ऑब्वियसली फ्रॉम दिस आई कांट नो कि छोटा कौन सा है और बड़ा कौन सा है. सो इंस्टेड व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज, एंड दिस इज स्टेप बाय स्टेप, सो प्लीज इंश्योर यू आर making this note in your notebook before you start doing today's work. Okay, so step 1, we take both the numbers and bring them on the same level. ठीक है, जो दोनों numbers है, we what we need to do is we have to bring them into the same level to be able to see कि बड़ा number कौन सा है और छोटा number कौन सा है. So what we're going to do is now we're going to look at these two numbers. I can see कि 6 में कोई root sign नहीं है and square root में square root 2 में root का sign है. Same way 5 में there is no root sign and यहाँ पे there is a root sign. So what I'm going to instead do is we will add a root. Okay, I am telling you add a root जिसमें root नहीं है, which is 6 and 5. You're going to add roots. How do we add the root is we will simply square the number on both the sides. So what we're going to do is जो 6 है एंड जो 5 है इनको हम लोग स्क्वायर कर देंगे, 6 स्क्वायर एंड 5 स्क्वायर. ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज माय सम गोइंग टू लुक लाइक. नाउ लुक, write the sign for both numbers that did not have the root sign. ठीक है, so this is my sum, correct? So I've written it over here. Next up what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a root sign, then write 6 square, then put another root sign and write 2 inside. Then same thing over here, I'm going to do a root sign and do 5 को 5 square किया and यहाँ पे root 5 the way it was. जो root है we are going to leave it like that. जो root में नहीं था उनको हम root में डालेंगे and उन पे हम square डाल देंगे. We are just going to square the number. Now 6 square we know is 36. So I'm just going to square it and I get root 36 and root 2. And over here 5 square is 25. 5 5s are 25. So root 25 and root 5. Now we already know कि अगर यहाँ पे there is no sign plus minus multiplication division, we know that this is a multiplication, right? So what we're going to do is next में we're just going to multiply them. जो ऐसे लिखा था नेक्स्ट में मैंने एक ही स्क्वायर रूट डाला, एक रूट डाला एंड 36 इंटू 2 कर दिया. सेम वे ओवर हियर जो 25 रूट 25 था एंड रूट 5 था उसको मैंने एक रूट में डाल के 25 इंटू 5 किया. देन आई एम गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई. 36 इंटू 2 बिकम्स रूट 72. 25 इंटू 5 बिकम्स रूट 125. नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज रूट एंड रूट है तो मैं दोनों रूट को हटा दूंगी. आई विल कट द रूट. व्हाट एम आई गोइंग टू गेट इज 72 एंड 125. नाउ 72 एंड 125 मेरे को पता है बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है, 125. सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू द क्रोकोडाइल माउथ ओपनिंग एट 125 एंड नाउ आई नो. ओके, so what I'm going to do is last में I'm going to write the original numbers. We will not write 72 is bigger than 125 because मेरे को नहीं पता तुमको 72 and 125 कहाँ से मिला. I'm going to go back and look at the original numbers that I gave you, which were 6 square root 2 and 5 square root 5, and I'm going to write that and I'm going to show कि 5 root 5 is bigger than 6 root 2. Okay, that's simple. Now we'll do one more. 8 square root cube and square root 192. Okay, so one side पे I have something outside, one side पे I don't. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do 8 को I'm going to make it into a square, right? I'm going to put it in a square root and do 8 square, which becomes 8 8s are 64. And then next में I'll do 64 into 3, which is 192 and 192. दोनों साइड पे 192 है, इसका मतलब they are equal. They are equal. So 8 square root 3 and square root 192 are equal, and I'm going to put equal to ka sign. Now the next thing we're going to do is basically operations on surds. Now operations basically means plus, minus, multiplication, divide. Today we'll only do plus and minus, and then we'll do multiplication and divide in the next class. Okay. Okay, so we can only do any operation, any plus, minus, subtract, division, we can only do if the same number is attached to the whole number. Now look, I'm going to see addition का ये sum. 7 square root 3 plus 29 square root 3. Now look, जो इनमें surds है हमारे, which are basically surds are basically our square roots, they are the same. If the roots in the sum are the same, then we are just going to add the bahar wala number, which becomes 7 plus 29, and I'll put them in a bracket and I'll do square root 3. What is my answer? 36 square root 3. Very simple, basic है. Okay, अगर जो square root दोनों number में same हुआ, then you are just going to add bahar wale number. Same goes for subtraction. If the numbers outside are the same, if the numbers in the roots are the same, then you can just subtract. You're going to subtract 7 minus 29, which is minus 22 and cube and square root 3. Now, same thing over here. This is, look, 13 square root 8 plus half square root 8 minus 5 square root 8. Now, इनमें सब में जो रूट है सब में 8 है. सो वेरी सिंपल, आई पुट बाहर जो रूट्स है मैं बाहर रखूंगी, एंड जो बाहर वाले नंबर्स है आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू डू द ऑपरेशन दे हैव आस्क्ड मी टू डू. सो 13 प्लस हाफ माइनस 5. 13 plus half minus 5. Now look, I'm going to take common over here. Okay, I'll take 2 common over here. So 2 into 13 26 plus यहाँ पे 2 है ही, so 1 minus 5, which is 27 upon 2 minus 5. Now again I'll take 2 common. 27 I'll write here minus 5 2s are 10. क्या आंसर मिला मेरे को? 17 upon 2 square root 8. This is my answer. Okay, very simple, basic bod mass kind of this thing. How do we add, subtract fractions? It's basically just that, addition, subtraction of fractions. Now, in a situation like this, which is square root 20 minus square root 125, what are we going to do? In a special case like this, we simplify the root by splitting it into perfect square numbers. Okay, now what does that mean? Square root 20 is equal to square root 4 into 5. How do I know this? 4 5s are 20. And what I need in this is, I need to split a number into 2 numbers, which when I multiply, I get the number in the square. But I have to remember one thing. In दोनों numbers में से one number has to be a perfect square. Now 4 is a perfect square, right? 2 into 2, 4. Now same for 125, which is 25 into 5. Same over here, 25 is a perfect square, 5 5s are 25. So I have split 125 into 25 into 5. Now what do I do next? Square root 20 is equal to square root 4 into square root 5, which is 2 into square root 5, right? If I remove this square root, it just remains 2, correct? अगर मैंने square root 4 हटा दिया, if I just find this number जिसका वो perfect square है, then I'll write that. So that's 2 into square root 5. Same for 125. 25 का root हटा दिया तो बचेगा 5 into square root 5. Now look, what do I have? 2 square root 5 minus 5 square root 5. Okay, this is what I have left. Square root 20 I have simplified into 2 square root 5, and square root 125 I have simplified into 5 square root 5. Now I am seeing कि दोनों में 5 is common, right? The surd is the same. So what am I going to do? 2 minus 5, square root 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3 and square root 5. It's very simple. थोड़ा सा logic है, थोड़ा सा we have to think, but otherwise it's very very simple. Now this is your worksheet, okay? Very simple. It's just 5 sums. It's barely anything. It should not take you more than 20 minutes. So these are your sums. See, compare surds you're going to do. Comparison of surds. Addition and subtraction of surds I'm going to give you in the next worksheet along with multiplication and division. Okay. So you're just doing 5 sums for today.